Hello guys, we're cooking with Vincent in Vincent's kitchen always. So guys, I don't know what we're making today, but guys, let me show you a cool trick here. With butter. I was like, when can I cook butter good? Well, this is a good way. Get a knife.
Cook better well.
Just get a knife and make lines.
Okay.
And then you know where to cut by those lines. And then you see those lines, that's when you know where to cut, and then that's how you do it.
Interesting.
And you think, oh, it's so hard. So guys, that's all for me. This is the part. But guys, have you ever know something about asparagus? There's also another thing about asparagus.
I don't know.
So guys, it's cooking with Vincent in Vincent's kitchen. I'll be back soon.